We're gonna do some curry chicken and some rice and peas for Sunday dinner. Yeah. Season it up anything you want to put.
Some curry.
And that the curry? What about this one? A turmeric?
The turmeric.
Oh, okay. And we not measure.
You tell me that stuff. I rely on your judgment.
Stop. I'm going to burn some in the oil.
Yeah. And the turmeric?
A little bit, yeah? Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
You mix up garlic powder.
Oh, you put garlic powder.
Seasoning.
Oh, you make your own all-purpose.
Dry pepper. Alright. Some black pepper.
So I'm going to sneeze. Alright.
Alright? And tomato seed. Pick a few. You don't like all.
You put too much all the time.
Thyme. We have some chopped seasoning. Onion, scallion, garlic.
Onion, scallion and garlic. Okay. And scotch
There
bonnet
is
pepper.
a pepper.
Put just a little
I
piece.
don't eat too much pepper nowadays because
So one knife.
it's bad on me.
So just a little piece.
So you got a piece off.
Yeah, that's it.
That's what we'll do. Anything else?
No. Put a little bit basil, a little bit, yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, that's good. Salt, not
Olive oil, how much?
extra virgin, about a teaspoon.
Alright?
Yeah. Just come use it to mix it up, like
We're
everything.
gonna use
2. I'm gonna put 2 veggie stock in there, guys. You put 2 now and 1 later. Yeah?
Is it?
Put 2.
Sometimes when I use that, you know, salt at all.
Crushed red pepper.
There's a lot of salt.
Oh, you did put the pepper flakes in it already, yeah?
Some in
Okay.
I'll put the seasoning from pepper in it.
Alright, take your big hand now and mix it up. And then we're gonna make it soak.
Wash your hands and clean. Wash again. Some people use gloves.
Country people don't have gloves.
Country man
You have to
have.
go up there, go buy gloves and anything. I have no time for that.
Country
Oh,
man
you go
wash your
eat.
hand. And you rub together.
And then the rest we are going to burn in at the oil.
Yeah.
So you don't really want to put too much curry on it right now. I put another tablespoon
good,
and burn in the oil. A good rub. Alright.
We're gonna cover it. Make it set. Hour now.
Maybe our time now. We can give it a good 2 hours. But guys, you can even seize it for from overnight.
Yeah.
Overnight would be ideal, but we're hungry now and this is not time. So we're gonna cover it up.
That's it.
Alright, we're gonna cover it, guys, for a few hours. So we're gonna put some coconut milk, guys.
Wash it ready. Scallion.
Scallion.
Just use a knife. Knife under the meat. That's what you like in. Alright? You want to see it?
All of it. Yeah, there you go. A little bit of olive oil. Guys, we're gonna use some olive oil instead of the butter, guys. So I put about 2 teaspoons. 1, 2, alright? Okay. Because the olive oil is a healthier choice more than the butter. Did you put salt in there? You want to taste it? Or not? I'm gonna put 1 Maggi cube.
You can put a little salt in it.
Tip of salt.
Right?
Yeah, that's good.
And this is 2.5 cup of rice, eh?
2.5 cup of rice. Alright. There you go.
Have enough water.
Alright guys, now we're just gonna let it simmer down. Turn on the stove a little bit, make it simmer down. And that's it. Rice and peas almost
On the
done.
way.
Alright guys, we're just gonna cover it like that. Alright guys. Woo. I cover it up with that and this is how it's looking. Yes. Alright. So we're just gonna turn down the stove a little bit. Let it simmer for 5 more minutes. It should be good. Alright guys. 5 more minutes and it's done. Guys, we have some extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna put about 2 tablespoons. 1. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna put some curry to burn in the oil. Put more. Okay, that's good. Alright guys, so this is how the curry is looking. Mix it up.
Nice.
Alright guys, we're gonna let this cook up a little bit, like fry up for maybe 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add a little bit of water and cook them. Or 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna look at the rice now guys. Alright, rice ready. So we are turning the stove off. You can smell the pepper in the
Hot.
Alright guys, see, we don't add any water. Just let it cook down. Alright, we're gonna let it cook down for about 5-10 more minutes and then we're gonna add the seasoning and stuff. Okay. We have some Irish potato and carrot. Alright guys, we're gonna put a little bit of water.
Good.
Alright guys, we're just gonna let this cook down. I'm gonna come.
I'm lost the butter bean.
Yeah, put butter bean in there too. Alright guys, I'm gonna put butter bean in there. This I'll cook for over an hour now guys. Lord of mercy. Alright, mix it up. 1 hand, okay. See, it mash out.
Soft and tender and nice. Don't low enough.
Take time to cook.
Well cooked the bone.
Alright, take time. But I'm gonna give mash out more. Alright guys, so me and my husband cook together, right? The rice and peas. Shelly and nice, like Shelly Belly. See? Yeah. No rice cooker today, guys. I'll come over here, Sylvester. My husband saying like the curry when it really soft, you know, like when you make hard. So if you cook it soft for you. Alright. So we're gonna share some out. Now we fancy dish. You want a lot?
No.
Tell me when, okay?
One more man.
1 more spoon. That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come over here. Want a lot of meat? So?
So. That's good for now.
Not 1 more piece? How's that? Want some gravy? Make sure your gravy thick and nice. Alright guys, gravy rich and nice. That will do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. A sweetie food sweet when you see fly. Alright guys, leave it that for. Put some. This is what we have today, guys. Lettuce.
What are you calling me?
I don't know. Somebody will call you. And cucumber. A piece of cucumber. An apple. Alright? That's what we serve now. That's okay?
That's good.
Oh, wait, we can't leave out the pear. What are you talking about? You're not done yet. 2 pieces?
2 pieces good.
Alright, guys. So that's our Sunday dinner. I'm going to share with mine after. Alright, guys, so this is it. This is my husband's dinner. Our little Sunday dinner. Alright, guys? Yeah. Rice and peas, curry chicken, avocado, and some vegetable. Alright, guys. See you later. I'm going to taste it for you guys. You see? It's good?
Good. Very good.
You're welcome. Alright, guys. We're going to share mine. Alright, guys. These are mine. Just a taste of food. Oh my goodness. Hot. Avocado. Pear. Bye, guys. See you later.